Life can throw a lot of curveballs at you.
Get your popcorn here!
And sometimes, these life events can seriously hurt your credit score.
Popcorn?
You just want to make some adult decisions, like buying a home or a car, or eating something other than top ramen for every meal. But life had other plans. Well, lucky for you, the professionals at creditrepair.com are better at credit repair than a mascot is at looking ridiculous. They can help you address all those inaccurate, unverified, or unfair negative items on your credit report.
Woo!
Kinda like that. It just takes one phone call and you'll walk away with a free credit score and a game plan to start fixing your credit. Just call 1-833-FIX-IT-FOR-YOU to get your free one-on-one credit evaluation today. Imagine your credit score is like stadium seating. The 700 and 800s are the best seats behind home plate.
Woo! Popcorn!
Congratulations, you qualify for our best rate. That'll be $5 plus $1 for interest.
Woo!
The 600s are like the seats down the baselines.
Woo, popcorn.
You kinda qualify. That'll be $5 plus another $5 in interest.
Wait, how much?
And the 400s and 500s are like way over there.
Popcorn!
Oh, thanks, man. I love pop.
Sorry, man, you don't even qualify for popcorn.
Why, though?
You should call the professionals at creditrepair.com at 1-833.
All of these people have been reduced to a 3-digit number by lending institutions. That 3-digit score is how 90% of all financial decisions are made about you. So what does your credit score look like in practice? This is approximately how much a $300,000 home would cost after 30 years if you have a credit score of 620. This is what that same loan would look like if your credit score was just 40 points higher at 660. That's over $60,000 more you're paying just because of a 3-digit number you may not know anything about. Life can just be downright unfair.
Come on, man! Trying to sell some corn! You want some? You want some?
And life doesn't discriminate either. All kinds of things can impact your credit. Whether you're dealing with medical bills, were divorced, racked up student loans, or gave your identity to a Nigerian prince over email. But a call to creditrepair.com can help you work to fix all that. All you have to do is call 1-833-FIX-IT-FOR-YOU, and our dedicated experts will help you start the comeback on your credit score.
Rally caps!
And trust that you're not alone. Millions of Americans have inaccurate, unverified, or unfair items hurting their credit, and many don't even know it. Trying to make a big purchase with bad credit is like stepping up to the plate without a bat. But creditrepair.com members saw 1 million negative strikes removed from their credit reports in 2017. So, you can remove that one too.
Oh, my mistake.
And sure, you might think that one negative item won't hurt that much, but the truth is, a single questionable negative item can cost you as much as 110 points on your credit score. And it's not just bona fide mistakes that could be hurting your credit. Something can be technically accurate but still unfair or unverified, meaning you have a legal right to challenge it. In other words, sometimes you just need someone a little more experienced to go to bat for you. That's what creditrepair.com does for you. Give them a call at 1-833-FIX-IT-FOR-YOU and talk to a credit expert who can help you get back on track to good credit. Their dedicated team members will listen to your story, pull your current credit score, and offer some credit solutions, all on the phone. You haven't received that kind of attention since you threatened to cancel your cable. Not to mention, on average, past members who made the call and began working with creditrepair.com have seen actual improvement to their credit score in just a few months. Think of it this way. If you've got bad credit but are ready to make some important life decisions like getting a job or buying a home, then just make the call to creditrepair.com by dialing 1-833-FIX-IT-FOR-YOU.
Creditrepair.com? My credit sucks. Awesome!
Creditrepair.com has been featured in major publications like Fox, Forbes, MSN, Money, and more. And that's not fake news. So if you want to handle credit challenges like this guy made that catch, call 1-833-FIX-IT-FOR-YOU. Creditrepair.com, a trusted friend that's as American as baseball itself. Let them help you win back your financial freedom by giving them a call today.